A warning today from emergency medicine specialists if you have a bad cough that just won't go away.
Yeah, the flu's on the rise, but another nasty virus also going around the tri-state. Medical reporter Liz Bonis has the latest on the symptoms and why it's making people really sick.
For weeks now, we've had reports there are a lot of illnesses going around in the tri-state, some GI things, but the biggest one we're hearing probably the most about is a bad respiratory infection. It is different from the flu because the flu tends to come on suddenly. This one, you'll feel those symptoms set in, but they can have bad complications, which can lead to everything from maybe just time in bed to a visit here to the emergency room.
You're right. Recently, we have been seeing a big surge of the upper respiratory type of symptoms, the cough, the congestion, the feeling really short of breath.
By the time they are wheeled in here, Dr. Kenneth Patton says that shortness of breath is really evident.
They're retracting, their ribs are, they're doing a lot of work of breathing. You can see their neck muscles, going at it to really show that they're having a hard time breathing.
He says he has big concerns it will continue to spread this holiday weekend at family get-togethers, especially to older adults.
A common cold to me and you may be a very serious pneumonia or illness for them.
The big complaint from many, how long this virus sticks around with a cough that won't quit.
When it's lasting more than 7 to 10 days, you got to worry that maybe it's turned bacterial.
Bacterial infections can be treated, Dr. Patton told me, in the ER with medications and sometimes IV fluids for rehydration. But
for the upper respiratory infection, really there's no real antibiotics or treatment. It's a virus.
If those symptoms linger, however, you do want to make sure that you seek proper medical attention. At TriHealth's Bethesda North Hospital in Montgomery, Liz Bonis, Local 12 News.